What's up, everyone? Back in another little overview. This one is kind of an unfinished project, as you can see. But what we've done here is we have created a LS swap kit for the older Land Rover Defenders. This one in particular is a Defender 110. We started making all of the mounts and hoses and radiator and basically everything you need to swap an LS into your Defender. And we started fabricating the kits, and we're going to start selling them on our website. It's starting to be a very popular application. We can kind of go through what we have as far as the kit contents. This particular car is using our 450 horse crate motor that we've started making in-house. It's basically a 6-liter iron LS3, if you want to call it that. But we also have these on our website. We're starting to sell these a lot because we just can't get LS3s anymore. So we've started building the motors in-house. This has one of them. We're using a 4L80E transmission. We're using a stock Land Rover transfer case and making it all work. I will hop to the front and show you all the goods under the hood. So here we are, 450 horse crate motor, 4L80E transmission. Are using custom brackets to use truck style accessories, so high mount truck style pump, truck AC compressor, actually it's a Sandon AC compressor, truck alternator, LS3 style intake that you would have on an LS3, drive-by cable throttle body, custom radiator, AC condenser, tranny cooler, electric fans, all the AC lines, headers for the swap. And this is running on a Holley Terminator. And like all of our other cars, I would normally say it's got Holley pan and Holley this and Holley that. Well, in this case, it has our own stuff for once. So just the Holley Terminator. It has a Hummer pan for just a little bit more clearance down below, and then a custom set of headers. And the mounts are our own mounts. They're a Weldon style for the engine and transfer case. And then we have a custom shifter that we make for this. But it's pretty tight in here up front, but we've actually already kind of taken this on and off a bunch of times just to make sure that it fits and it's serviceable. So it's definitely an upgrade from what came in this thing. It's really fun to drive. It's kind of like a big Jeep, the way it drives. But it's a great swap. Like I said, we'll be selling these on our website here soon. We just started making the mounts, having them all fabricated and just putting kits together. We're putting radiators together and all the kits. So look out for that if you're interested. If you have one of these Defenders, it's becoming extremely popular. We're getting a ton of requests for them, and yeah, that's it. So nothing, like I said, nothing really on the inside. As you saw, it's pretty much a test vehicle at this point. For the interior or the gauges right now, we have Speed Hut gauges in here, which I'll go to in here just so you can see them. So it's the Speed Hut gauges. It's got GPS, Speedo in this particular one. Since I'm running a Holley, I pretty much could use whatever. I'll probably use Dakota Digital on the later ones. Speed Hut gauges are nice. I don't really like wiring them up with all the inverters to turn the lights on and all kinds of crap like that. It's just, Dakota Digital is way nicer, in my opinion. So this thing is, we got 2.5 inch exhaust, So we got a 2-into-1, 2.5-inch exhaust, and then it comes back to a 3-inch single outlet, kind of like the factory did with the placement. We have our custom shifter mount, and that's about it. Hooking up to the factory AC in this particular case. This truck actually was converted to left-hand drive. It actually was a right-hand drive and they converted it over. Funny enough, everything basically just transfers over. That's everything that's on this side is also on this side. So it's kind of cool. But that is about it. All right, I'll go ahead and get this thing fired up, give you a chance to hear what the 450 horse crate motor that we sell sounds like. Also, I'm probably just gonna turn around and go back because this thing has plates on it from South Africa, which is where it came from. And I probably won't make it very long out there. So let's get this thing fired up here. Runs good. Actually, we'll go out on the road quick. What the hell? Give me a chance to run over a curb here with this line catcher. So not too much drone or anything with this exhaust. It's got 2 mufflers in it, so it's pretty quiet. It sounds great. This motor is make a great driver. Obviously makes quite a bit of power just out of the factory. 450 horse, 4L80E transmission. I probably could put it into a higher gear so I don't rev it out. Go in here. But if you have any interest in this kit, you know, feel free to hit us up. Like I said, we're just starting it. We should have it on our website soon. If you're interested in the motors, we have those on our website right now. We are currently making a few of them for quite a few cars in the shop. So we have a bunch we're doing. And like anything else, if you have questions on another swap or any questions on your swap, or you need help on your swap, you know, feel free to reach out to us. We're more than happy to help however we can. And we will see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, tell your friends, do all that stuff. And we'll be back on the next one.